Becoming wealthy requires a combination of financial discipline, strategic planning, and entrepreneurial mindset. Budgeting and saving. Start by tracking your expenses and creating a budget that allows you to save a portion of your income consistently. Save and invest wisely, keeping a portion of your earnings aside for future opportunities. Investing. Wisely. Educate yourself about various investment options such as stocks, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversify your investments to spread risk and maximize potential returns over the long term. Continuous learning. Invest in yourself by acquiring new skills, knowledge, and expertise. Stay updated with trends in your industry and explore new opportunities for growth and advancement. Entrepreneurial ventures. Consider starting your own business or side hustle. Entrepreneurship offers the potential for significant wealth creation, but it also requires dedication, perseverance, and willingness to take calculated risks. Network and relationships. Surround yourself with successful and motivated individuals who can offer mentorship, guidance, and opportunities for collaboration. Networking can open doors to new ventures and partnerships. Financial, practice frugality, and avoid unnecessary expenses. Focus on long-term financial goals rather than instant gratification. Be disciplined in your spending and savings habits. Adaptability and resilience. The path to wealth may not be smooth, and setbacks are inevitable. Stay resilient in the face of challenges and learn from failures to ultimately achieve success.